Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the looks of your avatar in the mini world CREATA game. Of course, when you first open the game, you could have a character creation screen where you created your first avatar. But if you ever want to change how that avatar looks, you want to, in the main menu, tap on your avatar, and here you'll see the DIY avatar menu. You can edit your current one or create a new one, although you have to take into account the fact that only the cosmetics that you had before will be free, and all the other ones will cost coins, unfortunately. So whatever you pick will unfortunately lead to you needing to pay coins. Let's tap save. As you can see, you'll have to spend coins, which you can get through unfortunately real money purchases. So if you don't want to spend real money, there isn't really a way to do anything like that. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.